again. Okay, first we will take the absentees to see who is here and who is absent. The first one, Ahmed. Arifan.
Yes.
Baha.
Yes.
This week we talked about a topic which was the adjectives. Okay, we talked about the adjectives in detail. We said that adjectives are those words that are describing a noun, okay, or a thing, whether it's a name of a person or a name of a place or a name of a thing. We talked about just the first part. We said that we are describing a person, okay? We studied some adjectives for describing a person, and here are them. We will review them again, okay? Words that are describing a person or animal, a place or a thing. We just talked about the first part, this part. How can we describe a person, okay? We are using these words to describe a person. The first one, old and young. Old and young. These are two adjectives. We can use them to describe a person. For example, this man is old, like our grandpa. They are old. And we are young. The boy and the girl, both of them are young. Okay, so old and young, they are describing a person. Next one is shy. The girl is shy. Shy when you don't want to be with others, you are feeling nervous, or you will cry, or just hiding yourself. At that time, you are feeling shy. Okay, shy. The girl is shy. The opposite of shy is friendly. Friendly. Look at this boy. Friendly is a person who has lots of friends and he is enjoying his time with everyone. So not hiding himself from the others. We call this person friendly. For example, in our class, Muhammad Akam is friendly. Okay. Next one is cheerful. Look at them. They're all cheerful. When you are happy and you are enjoying everything, you say, she is cheerful. Or he is cheerful. For example, we say Baha is cheerful, always laughing and enjoying everything. The opposite of cheerful is someone who is miserable, always sad, not enjoying anything, do not want to do anything. We call this person miserable. He is miserable or she is miserable. Good. So these were the adjectives that we studied, and you have to know it. We are using them to describe ourselves later, okay? We will bring a picture of ourselves and then we will describe it. Now, listen to this song. We will listen to this song that they use the adjectives that we studied here inside this song. Look at this song and listen to it carefully, okay? We have a picture of you. You describe it. You will describe it for us, okay?
Did I bring this here?
Yeah, I have it. No. Look, this is a picture of Leah. She will describe herself when she was a baby, okay? Here it is. How old are you in this picture?
Oh, I can't see this one, but I'm 3 years old.
3 years old. Okay, Leah. How do you describe yourself in this picture? Use those adjectives that we studied.
The teacher, I was a little cheerful.
I was cheerful, good.
And I was friendly.
I was friendly, well done too.
And teacher, I had short hair.
I had short curly hair, yeah, look at your hair. Short curly hair, I had it, good.
And I was short.
And I was short. Well then, you're handsome. Are you handsome? Are you handsome?
No, I was pretty.
I was pretty. Good job, Leah. Thank you, Leah. Well then, next person that will describe, it will be a boy. Sam. Can you describe yourself for us in this picture?
Yes.
And you are 3 years old in this picture, right?
Yes.
Okay, so describe it for us.
I was shy.
I was shy.
And I was cheerful.
I was cheerful. Good.
I have short hair.
I had short hair.
And I am handsome.
I was handsome. I know that you're still handsome. Okay. Good job. You're handsome. Well done, Sam. Good job. So the last one is why? Excellent. Shy. Good job. And Mohammed Akam. How do we write friendly? Mohammed Akam.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Mohammed Akam. We said this word is friendly. How do we write friendly? How can we write it? F. Good. E. See? So after F, it's not E. It is friendly. R. Yes. After R. I. After I. It is. We have it. It is E. Good. After E. N. And we have the D. L and Y. Good job, Mohammed Akam. Well done. Next adjective. Thank you. Next adjective. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. That was our class for today. You can go, leave the class, and see you tomorrow. Have a nice time. Bye.